Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 934 and this one is the Porsche edition. So previously we unboxed the racing edition, which has a different set of vinyls or wrapping, you can say. So this one is kind of a sky blue with this golden rims here. So I personally like this one because of this combination, and so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So again, okay, this one I bought for the MRP 349. Not sure if everything is still available in this list, in this one which they are showing here. This one I'm seeing very often, but rest of these things I'm not sure. Especially this one and this one, these two, the 934 and 911 the GT3 RS. These two, it is not easy to get. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay, here is the card and here is the car. Let's remove it from the pack now. Okay, give me 1 second guys, let me just throw this out. Okay, so as usual, let's start with the card. So here it is. This looks really cool. So one thing I really like about Majorette when it comes to this kind of graphics is they just may put whatever you are getting here. So they are not going to make any gimmicks here. Whatever the rims you are seeing here, that's the same thing you are going to get it in the car. Paint job, the wrapping or whatever it is. Okay, so here also it doesn't have any details, or I mean technical details of the car, but instead it is just the car's image in a different pose, you can say. So this is what the same happened to the Porsche 934 Racing Edition, which we unboxed previously. Okay, let's just keep this aside and start with the car now. So here it is. Okay, let's talk about the casting first. So the initial impressions of this casting is this looks so awesome, and it does have some paint job issues. Like, okay, this is old if you guys are wondering, so I bought it a long time back. I forgot to unbox all these things because Hot Wheels started coming back, and we started unboxing some Hot Wheels, and I started moving to other things like Mini GT, Tarmac, other brands which comes with a lot more detailing like Tomica and all. Okay, so as usual the headlights are made of some kind of acrylics, which is awesome. The logo placement is really nice. So the body is made of metal and chassis is made of plastic. So the rims are made of plastic. The tires are actually plastic only, it's not rubber. This one has so nice details here. They have rear view mirrors as well. Logo placement is really nice. The rims has golden colors in this one, as you can see. So it has openable doors. Here it is. The details are really awesome. Okay, let's do a suspension test. I'm pretty sure this one is a suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. So let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, before that, let me just show you this. I think this is a exhaust here. That looks really nice. I'm not sure about the racing edition one. Let's see. So here's the racing edition one. Okay, this also has the same, I think, exhaust details here. So the casting wise, both are same. Only the paint job and the wrapping differs, if you guys are wondering. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, this rolls really smooth. The wheels does wobble a little bit, but not too much. But this looks absolutely beautiful, especially the color on this car. It looks absolutely classic. So it's not like so modern or anything. It just complements that specific era from the car came from, which I personally love it. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.